Begin by deciding where the hardware will go. This can be done by measurement or by eye. A little bit of painter's tape placed where the hardware will go saves damaging the door when marking. Carefully mark off the location of the bottom hole on the handle. Make note of the measurement from the bottom of the door, in this case 2.5 inches. And use this measurement to position the sliding stop on your hardware jig. The hole location is measured from the edge of the door. This is usually half of the frame width, 1 inch on this door frame. The large stop is set to this dimension and locked in place using the thumb knob. Next, the hole centers on the handle are measured. This handle has 5-inch centers, and the sliding drill guide is tightened into place at this measurement. The jig is positioned with the stops on the edges of the door, and the holes drilled while holding the jig firmly in place. The best results are obtained by drilling the holes in steps, clearing the chips between each step. No resetting is needed to drill opposing doors. The jig is simply flipped over and used the same way. The cabinet hardware jigs from True Position Tools increase speed and accuracy for professionals and homeowners alike. Learn more by visiting our website at truepositiontools.com.